Yes. So now that you've been able to, by your own means, sitting down in front of a computer and generated up to about 1,000 euros in $1,000 in profit with $2,000 of cash invested into the trading platform, even though you will finally at the end of the day, the worst came to the worst, you had to lose everything by taking all your profit, all your money again, in investing into another project, which was something else. It comes to me to the conclusion that you at least you have an idea about that the possibility of making money online is true and it exists and people are really making a living from it. True or false?
True, very true, definitely.
Exactly. So now that you already know that it is very true to make money online, because that's one of the steps we really need to be able to come to the conclusion, two of us, and agree, because there are a lot of people who do not believe that it is really possible to make money online, and there are a lot of people who do not believe you can make even a, let me just say, $1,000 per day online. Do you believe it is possible to make $1,000 per day online?